And we're almost back to Long Beach. We're slowly moving closer. Look at that gorgeous sunrise. Oh my goodness. Beautiful.
And alas, all good things must come to an end. And so must our Splendor cruise. Here we are. Luggage. Things are packed up. Only thing that's left from a cruise is the remnants of a delicious, tasty pizza pirate pizza.
I know.
Pizza pirate pepperoni pizza.
Matthew's late night.
Late night antics.
And then I had to go down to guest services early this morning because we'd already closed out our account and somebody decided to spend a little more at the arcade. So.
Mamma mia. All right, so we're getting ready to. Where are we going now? We're going to start our morning.
The Old Pearl dining room.
The aft dining room. Excellent.
Yes, they do breakfast in the main dining room on the embarkation day now as well. So we are going to take advantage of that. We've never done that before.
You mean the debarkation day?
Debarkation. Oh my gosh, I'm already on another cruise.
You ready for the next embarkation?
Yeah,
so here's a quick glance outside. We are back in Long Beach. There she is. There's the Queen Mary. There's the port, and we're back. So, back where we began 1 week ago this morning. Alright. Ooh, a little sunshine for you. So, good morning, Long Beach. Let's go have some breakfast as we're still approaching, making our approach to the dock. Going in, final breakfast.
Our last meal. Please behave, you guys. Please.
Yeah, we're gonna separate you guys.
Keep your hands to yourself.
Like two different dining rooms.
Don't talk. Don't talk.
Thank you. Breakfast time. Do it.
All right, we are at breakfast. We have a nice table here, right by the window. With a nice view for our final cruise breakfast. Okay, we're heading out of the dining room after a wonderful last breakfast. And there we go. Off to get our things together in the room and head off the ship.
Well, it's our final view of the cabin, saying goodbye.
We're getting all...
Bye-bye.
We're getting all packed up. We have
Bye-bye.
our two big luggages out in the hallway already, ready to go. Matthew's got his backpack. He'll be taking this little guy here down.
Okay, so bye-bye. Carnival Splendor. We had a good time.
We did. We had a wonderful time. It was great.
Solid. Okay, next stop, parking garage. See ya.
Guys all together?
Yeah, the group of six. Jamie's saving the day for us here. One last platinum perk before we have to go back to reality of being nobodies.
Oh, really?
Jamie. Yeah.
Yes, good name.
Nice. Okay, thanks for the hookup.
You're welcome.
This is our family.
Go for it. You're welcome. Here we are, getting off the ship. Bye-bye, Splendor.
Say goodbye.
There's our crew. Luckily, we had one last platinum benefit. We were able to cut the line a little getting off. So that's always cool. No.
Jay!
Sharon!
Jay, come on!
Hey, the next cruise director is JJ from the Fun Squad.
I know. I got it. I asked her.
No, I asked.
Chick, look, Chick, there's
Okay.
Mommy. Black helicopter.
And then it's Steve after that.
All right, here we are. Get off the Splendor.
Right there, that helicopter.
Oh yeah, look at you, there you are. Asking me where
Where's Alex at the last question? Oh, he's up there.
Really, very good morning, Carnival Splendor.
He's off. He's probably gone. Okay, bye-bye, Splendor. Well, this ramp was tiring as we came up it a week ago, but it's fantastic now as your wheeled luggage just flies on down. Yeah, Matthew, just center that bag on there, Bubba. Moving right along down the ramp. Woohoo! Next stop, customs. Next stop, parking garage. Okay, we made it.
And just so everyone knows, I had to actually break out our little folded Carnival bag this time. I finally used it because I packed too much.
Yes.
Bought too much.
Oh yeah, so Sharon had to, so this time she had to take out that bag that we was talking about having, the extra bag for all your souvenirs and your overflow at the end of the cruise. All right, so we're rolling out of here. Goodbye, Port of Long Beach. Let's move it out, Matthew. Take it to the car. Take us.
Okay, here we are up here in the parking garage. The ship's right there. You can see how taxis just line up there, so there's no problem with getting a taxi. Beautiful view from up here, and we are heading to our car. Okay, we are on the road. We just dropped our friends off that cruised with us at the Hotel Maya. They are flying home, so they have a flight later today, so their ride will be picking them up at the Hotel Maya and taking them to the airport. And
actually, that's good information to share. They got a ride service to get to the airport, and but they set it up so that they could go sit at the Hotel Maya, relax for a little bit, maybe have a drink or lunch. I don't know what they're going to do, but that way, if you have a later flight, it's better than sitting at the airport and getting there and waiting forever. So, little tip for you. Boom.
Yep. So there you go.
Tippy tip. Tip tipperoo.
So usually we show, at the end of our video, we usually show us on our flight. Well, this time it's on the road. So there you go. Next stop, Phoenix, Arizona. Or I guess I should say Goodyear, Arizona.
Goodyear, Arizona. There you go.
Goodbye, Carnival Splendor. We'll see you again soon. Not soon, but eventually.